everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show how to make hot chili paste. For the ingredient I have 80 grams of red chili, 185 grams of red bell pepper, 80 grams of garlic, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of brown sugar, and 50 milliliters of apple vinegar. And I also have the blender. Okay, and right now I'm going to remove the chili stem out. And then I'm going to cut red bell pepper in small pieces. Okay, right now it's time to blend everything together. I'm going to put bell pepper, red chili, and garlic, salt, brown sugar, and vinegar all inside the blender. Okay, right now it's ready. It's very quick and easy. Look at that. It looks so nice. Okay, right now I'm going to transfer hot chili paste inside a glass jar. For this red chili paste, you can serve with any kind of your favorite food, and you can keep inside the refrigerator more than 1 month. Thank you everyone for watching my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.